Hey, what's going on out there, everybody? It's your boy Finesse Game, the best game, back with another video. If you haven't subscribed to my new YouTube channel, subscribe, hit that bell notification so you can get notifications when the next videos come. This is marketing strategies for the year 2020. Make sure you hit that bell notification so you can know when I do videos. I'm going to give you guys a whole lot of information. If you haven't already downloaded the PDF book on how to make money off your music as an independent artist in 2020, it's in the description. Download it, a free PDF book. My gift to you. Thanking you guys for supporting me. So this whole year, I'm going to be breaking down tips, tricks, trades, things you will never hear from nobody else, so you can get ahead as an independent artist. Money. Nothing will be left on the table. There's so many different streams of income that you can get from your music that some of the even major artists don't even know. There's so many ways to get money from your music now, not just from the recording process. It's just so many different. So I'm going to be breaking those things down to you guys throughout the year. Like I say, make sure you hit that bell notification, subscribe, because you don't want to miss this. I promise you, you don't want to miss this. You know, I do this for the people, man. I'm a people person, man. I'm a people person. I do this for the people, man. I love y'all, man. Yeah, man. But thank y'all again. This video, I'm gonna tell you how to steal your competitors' traffic on YouTube. It's a trick. It's a tip. I say that again. I'm gonna tell you how to steal your competitors' traffic. So if your competitor had 329,000 subscribers, I can tell you how to get all of his subscribers to look at your page. Deep. So you might want to stay tuned to this. Stay tuned to this video, man. Again, this is your boy Finesse Game, the best game. If you disagree, it's because you lame. Marketing 101, how to be successful independent artist in 2020. Let's go. How to steal your competitors. Uh, how do you steal your competitors' traffic? Here we go. So if you're new to my channel, subscribe, hit the bell notifications. I'm going to be giving you new information on how to make it as an independent artist in 2020, the whole 2020. Like I say, if you really don't want to know, or you're trying to find out how to get in this game, how to make money, actually make a living off your music, you don't have to sign to a major label. You can do everything yourself and get all the profit. It's 2020. It's about being your own boss, branding yourself. You don't need to have a major label to do nothing that you can do for yourself. So anyway, this video is about, like I said, how to steal your competitors' traffic. A little sneak tip, a little sneak tip. This can go for any genre, not just music. This can go for anything. So pay attention, because I'm about to drop some jewels on y'all. Pay attention real close. So here we go. The first thing you're gonna need to do is you're gonna download from the App Store vidIQ. That's this thing right here, vidIQ. It is, and what vidIQ is. It's the extension on Chrome. What it is, it tells you all the YouTube analytics. You're gonna need this. This is how you're gonna sneak. This is completely free. All you gotta do is go to the App Store and put vidIQ in. This is how you spell it. vidIQ. You go to the App Store and put that in. The symbol looks like this. Put that on, because you're really gonna need that. So after you've done that, you want to go to search a keyword. After searching a keyword, let's go with the baking genre. How to bake a cake. Let's go with how to bake a cake from scratch. See this on the side? delete this. This on the side. Guys, look at this. These are your competitors right here. These are your competitors. Now, what I'm about to show you, pay attention. I'm about to show you how to go in there, find out what she's doing, steal just a little bit of her traffic, and make a lot of her followers follow you. Let's go with this one. This is her page.
Do you ever wish that you could cook like they do in a restaurant? Okay. What if I told you it was actually super easy?
This is her page. Let's go to one of her videos. Pay attention, because I'm
with moderate to severe ulcerative colitis or
I'm about to drop some jewels on you guys. On this particular video, these are all of her tags. They tell me, look guys, I want you to look. She had 14,363 views on this video. These are the tags she used. That's why this extension vidIQ is so powerful, and it's free. It's free. It's free. These are all the tags she used right here. So if you go to show search rankings, it shows you the ranking of the tags. This is dope, man. This is how you get your money. This is dope. It shows you the ranking of your tag. Well, here's copy too. You can literally copy them to your clipboard. Every one of them. Did I mention she had 14,363 views? Every one of her tags I want. Copy the clipboard. Now you want to go to your YouTube channel. Let's go to your YouTube channel. Let's upload a video. I'm just gonna pick any random video right now. It really doesn't matter. I'm just doing this for example. Let's go with this video. Gonna load it up. And right here. Look how they look, and I want you guys to see something. They hide it. You don't see anywhere where they say you can put tags there. That's the title. That's the description. Those are the thumbnails. You have the playlist. But what do you see that you don't see anywhere there is to put the tags? You know why? More options. Look at this. Oh, there they are. They were here. They were here. Here they are right here. Here you are right here. Now I just got the tags from this my competitor. I come here. They already copied to my clipboard. So boom. Look at this. Look at this. Every single tag that she had in her video, I now have. Now she had 14,000 views. Now I'm not saying I'm going to get that because she has more. She would probably have more subscribers than you. But out of the 14,000, would you think you can maybe get 3,000 of those eyeballs? 3,000 of them, and you build from there. And you build from there, guys. It's as simple as that. That's how you steal your competitors' traffic. That's how you steal your competitor traffic. And the thing about it is, they wouldn't even know. They would have no idea. So again, guys, I hope you got some information out of this. I hope that you guys are being safe out there. Don't forget to click that bell. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Like I say, throughout the year 2020, I'm giving tips, tricks on how to be successful independent artists, how to get your money, how to finesse the game.